Can you please come up? This is for you. I'm going to read you your awards. Okay, so hold this. Okay. This year Jamie got all A's honor roll, Outstanding Performance Award, and Jamie got Excellence in Writing. And I give you a character trait, kindness, because you always give us presents. So thank you. And outstanding, one more, outstanding conduct.
Oh.
Yay! Yes.
What does conduct mean?
Conduct. I'm sorry, Miss Sinclair has her noses a little stuffed. Conduct means great behavior. Yes.
Yes, yeah, I did,
when
right?
she worked with you at home. You can hold your award. I talked to Miss Star, you know.
All right.
Smile, Jamie.